This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you're looking to protect your iMac Pro screen with a good screen protector and also have privacy for those prying eyes, then check out the screen protector from QHOHQ. For installation, they provide you all the different equipment you're going to need and detailed instructions. So you have the tempered glass and you also have the protector for your cameras on the back of your phone. They provide things like wet wipes to clean it, the cloth to wipe it, the sticky to get rid of any dust. They also have this feature that goes right on top of your phone and actually helps with the installation, because sometimes it's hard to navigate making sure your screen protector is actually aligned where it needs to be on the phone. This tempered glass also has privacy with it, and that means that when you are looking at your phone, you can see everything on it, but those from the side of you that might be looking on your phone, it has privacy and it has that tint to it. So when they look at your phone, they see it more at a tint. If you have an iMac 15 Pro, you're definitely going to want to have it protected. And so the screen protector that gives you spy protection from anyone looking nearby. It has tempered glass to protect the actual screen itself and to protect your camera. This is a good buy and something that you're going to want for your iPhone so that way it stays protected. And that's my point of view.